Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm here at Galaxy Car Care and I have Mr. Pavinder Singh here with me. So today I'm here to get the PPF installed on my car. So if you haven't watched the delivery video, I will link it in the description below or in the top here in the I button. So go ahead and check it out. So before we get started with the process, let's quickly know what actually PPF is, and after that we'll quickly jump over to the workstation and cover the whole process, what actual steps are involved in the installation. And yeah, so over to you, Mr. Pavinder Singh.
Hi everyone, my name is Parvinder and we have our own outlet by the name of Galaxy Car Care, and we are located in Mayapuri. It's in industrial area phase 2. It's very nearby Galaxy Toyota workshop. So we are into the car care business. For example, we deal in PPF, we deal in ceramic, we do detailing of the cars, right? And we are into the body shop job as well.
So Pavinder, what actually PPF is and what are the benefits of PPF over the traditional, like what people know ceramic coating is?
The main difference, if I tell about the PPF, so PPF is the top-notch protection as of now,
Okay.
right? Because it's first of all it's scratch resistant totally, and the product which we use, that is the latest technology, which is the TPU sheet,
Okay.
and it's 100% self-healing. Right?
Okay.
So that's the PPF, and the main reason for installing a PPF, that is the paint of the car that remains protected.
Okay.
So that is the main key feature.
So I have also heard that the ceramic coating fades over time. Is it the case with the PPF as well?
No, the PPF shine that will remain constant
Okay.
as it is.
Mm-hmm.
There would be no dullness and all that in the PPF. If you go for the ceramic, it will get the ceramic done on your vehicle. So ceramic, it's a chemical composition which forms a glass layer. It blends with your paint and forms a fine glass layer that is basically loaded with the gloss, right? And once the cleaning and everything is done, so the layer keeps on decreasing day by day, right?
Okay.
So the shine also keeps on decreasing, and we have particular packages and options. So every 6 months we recoat it, and that is the other process. As compared to PPF, PPF is the one-time investment only, and the shine and everything remains constant. That is the main difference.
So that is basically the selling point of PPF over the ceramic coating, and that is why I chose to get the PPF done on my car rather than going for a ceramic coating. So the price is actually very reasonable. If you would compare in the market, I won't be quoting the price over here because it depends upon the customer to customer. So if you want to get PPF or any ceramic coating or any paint protection done on your car, you can definitely visit their showroom and you can get the quotation for your car and your needs. So now you know what ceramic coating and PPF is. So now let's jump onto the workstation and let's cover the complete process of the paint protection film.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay boys, so you saw the complete installation process on the car. Let's talk a little details about if it's worth getting installed in the car or not. Well, if I talk about my instances, there were few moments when the car got a little scratched up when I was in a bumper to bumper traffic situation, and all those scratches were taken care by the PPF, and there were no scratches on the actual paint of the car. So that gives me a peace of mind that whenever I'm traveling, I do not have to worry about stone chips on the paint, or even if I'm in a congested situation. I live in Delhi and it is inevitable to keep your car clean over here. So that gives me a peace of mind that the actual paint on the car is always protected. So definitely it is a worth investment for your car. Now secondly, let's talk about my user experience which I had in these 2 months with the PPF installed on the car. As I already told you, there were few moments wherein the paint got a little scratched up, but all those scratches were on the PPF and not the actual paint of the car. And secondly, the package which I got, I will tell you the cost of that package as well. In that package, even if there's a small defect on the car, on any panel, even if there's an air bubble on the car, on the PPF, I can always go in and get the panel changed completely free of cost. And even if there is a accidental damage on the PPF, I can always get it replaced free of cost. So that is a win-win situation for me. Now finally, let's conclude this video with the actual cost of installation on the car. The cost was 55,000, which I paid from my pocket, and this video is not at all sponsored by any means. And in this package, my car is covered for complete 2 years. So as I already told you, if there is any damage on the PPF or if there is any accidental damage on the car, I can always go in and get the PPF replaced on the car. So that gives me a peace of mind whenever I'm traveling or whenever I'm in a traffic situation. So yeah, I hope you found this video informative. If you did, you know the drill. A like and a subscribe to the channel would be appreciated. And as always, let nothing hold you back in life and always keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Last but not least, I want to thank me.